One or two slipped out of my hand, fell, hit the concrete next to the pool, shattered, exploded up into the air, and then glass shards. I'm talking like a lot of glass shards flew into the pool. And then I'm drunk. And then I'm like, oh no. And I look up, and across the pool, there's just like 5 parents death staring at me. It was a horrible moment. So it gets even worse. So I want to talk about something, guys. Starting with the C word. Because I'm not going to say the name because I'm tired of hearing people talk about it. And I'm tired of hearing people joke about it. I've seen like 2 memes that made me laugh. The first one being one that says, "My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and now," and the CDC pops in and goes, "Only 9 boys maximum allowed in the yard." The meme with Charlie Day from It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia, and he's explaining how a guy eating bat soup in China created a toilet paper shortage in the United States. Yeah, so the memes have been fire. Other than that, well, like 2 memes. Other than that, I'm not real impressed with the way you guys are acting. Old Daddy Jason doesn't really like it. Y'all need to fucking straighten up. It's 2020. There's also a guy I saw on the news in Kentucky. He contracted the coronavirus, checked into a hospital, and yeah, they diagnosed him with it. And he was like, "Nah, bro." He just left. He didn't stay and get help. He goes home to his house, and guess what? The Kentucky Police Department surrounded this house, and they're waiting for him to come out. I don't know if he came out. I haven't checked the news lately. That was like yesterday. But like, what's that dude's end game? Tell you fucking what? Ain't no goddamn coronavirus gonna keep me locked up at the hospital. I got shit to do. Oh, the C word, man. The C word. I just want to let you guys know that no C word joke is funny. Nobody thinks it's funny. This damn squirrel, go, God. No one thinks you're funny. Like, not even your mom, your grandma, they don't think you're funny. Listen, you can crack a C word joke when you're in the comfort of your own quarantine, but don't be cracking a C joke out in public, man. The fact that people can't be aware of their own surroundings and realize they're making everybody uncomfortable by cracking bad jokes is really what gets me. It's not that you think you're funny, it's your lack of social awareness. Like, there needs to be some classes or something on it. Like, how to not be stupid. Oh yeah, I know we're at now. By the Londondale Apartments. We're on Londondale Road. You know, I'll tell you a story. One time at the Londondale Apartments, I was with some friends, and we were drinking beer. We were still like college age. We were drinking beers, and we were down at the pool. We had glass bottles, and there was a big sign that said no glass bottles. And we're like, you know, who gives a fuck? Fuck the rules. I'm 21 years old, and I don't give a shit. Well, there's families there too, and their little kids are swimming in the pool. Right here at this apartment complex. Good old Londondale. Yeah, there's families swimming in the pool. And guess what old Jason Johnson does? He's walking by the pool. I was actually cleaning up. There was like fucking beers littering the entire place. And I was cleaning up the area. So I was picking up everybody's trash, and there was like a bunch of glass beer bottles. So as I was still walking past the pool to throw them away, one or two slipped out of my hand, fell, hit the concrete next to the pool, shattered, exploded up into the air, and then glass shards. I'm talking like a lot of glass shards flew into the pool. And then I'm drunk. And then I'm like, oh no. And I look up, and across the pool, there's just like 5 parents death staring at me. It was a horrible moment. So it gets even worse. After I'm death stared, I'm like, well, god dang it, now I gotta get these shards of glass out of the pool because there's children everywhere, and I'm not gonna be the guy that's getting all these children hurt. So I started diving into the pool, wasted, looking for shards of glass, cut my hand, lose a contact, so I'm half blind. I went from like having a good time chilling to drunk, half blind because my contacts fell out while I was opening my eyes so I could find the shards of glass, and then as I was picking up the shards of glass, I cut my hand, so I'm like bleeding, blind, and stupid. So I don't remember what I did, but I'm pretty sure I went back and like took a nap or something.